Hi, I'm Caroline Buttler, and I work for Cymru National Museum, Wales, where I'm Head of Paleontology. As part of our amazing astronomy weekend, I'm going to show you my favourite space-related specimen, and here it is. Now, you may think it doesn't look that impressive, but this is part of a meteorite, and it's actually one of the most exciting specimens I've ever held. And as a paleontologist, I've handled some wonderful things, including Jurassic dinosaur bones and woolly mammoth teeth. But the reason I love this specimen is because it's part of another planet. This is a Martian meteorite. So I find it amazing to be able to look up into the night sky and see the red dot that's the planet Mars, and know that I've held a piece of that other world in my hand. The same feeling when I see some of the photographs coming back from the Mars rover Perseverance. Also, whenever I see a Hollywood blockbuster such as The Martian, I know that the rocks and landscapes are really back here on Earth. But in the museum, we've got a tiny piece of the real thing, a piece of Mars. So that's why this Martian meteorite is my favourite specimen.